What's up guys, Jon Hoggard here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play a song. We're going to learn Lady May by Tyler Childers, and I'm going to teach it to you. Capo on the 2nd fret. Feel free to move it wherever it fits your voice. Just know that that is going to change the key. We are in standard tuning, which is E, A, D, G, B, E. E, A, D, G, B, E. So yeah, other than that, we're going to go ahead and get into it. The intro riff can be a little bit complicating. It's a C bass, the chord pattern, which is index finger on the B string 1st fret, ring finger on, or the middle finger, excuse me, on the D string 2nd fret, and the ring finger on the A string 3rd fret. And so to play that, you're going to start by plucking the D string on the 2nd fret and then doing a pull off. And then you're going to go to the A string and you're going to go 1, 2, 3 plucks on the A string, leaving your finger in that same position. And then from there, you will go on to the D string, and with an open fret, you're gonna so 2 open picks, and then a hammer on, and then a pull off. From there, you're going to do a, so that first little bit will sound like, and then from there, you're going to drop your ring finger down to the 3rd fret on the D string, and you're going to pluck that once, and the G string, you're going to pluck open and then hammer on with your middle finger on that G string. So, and then from there, you're going to walk back up to your ring finger on the A string 3rd fret, and then pluck that D string, hammer on 2nd fret. So man, it is very complicated to think about all of this, but I promise you, once you learn it, it'll be just muscle memory and not that complicated. So where are we at? We are and then you're going to go back down to your ring finger on the 3rd fret D string, and then you're going to pick it once, and then you're going to do a hammer on pull off, on the G string. And then this can be a little bit complicated because you have to do a pull off of the D string on the 2nd fret with your middle finger, and it's kind of a quick maneuver. And one little tip I have for a pull off is if you kind of like put some pressure upward on the string like you're bending the note and then pull off, it will make the string kind of flick and give you a little bit of tone there. So that whole thing will go. And that's kind of what you're trying to do it quickly because it's a quick spot in that song. And then you will be putting your ring finger back on the 3rd fret on the A string. Hit the A string once, and then you're going to hammer on your D string 2nd fret with your middle finger. So it's... And then from there, you're going to go open A, hammer on with your middle finger, and then you will be dropping your ring finger down onto the 3rd fret on that A string, and then A string 3rd fret, pluck that, and then D string 2nd fret, open, and then hammer on, and then your open G you want to hit, and then you're going to hit your D string again and pull off, and then hit your closed with the 3rd finger on your D, or on your A string. I'm sorry. It's a lot for me to keep track of, and I will see if I can put a tab somewhere in the video, but yeah, that is the whole progression. So then together it sounds a little bit something like this. I'll try and play it slowly. And then from there we have the chords, which is from there you're going to be playing a C, and then an F. I'm going to play a barred F, but you are more than welcome to play your F this way as well. So whichever way is more comfortable to you. If you cannot do bar chords, this is certainly acceptable. So we're going to play C. I'm a stone's throw from the mill, and I'm a good walk to the river. My working day is over. We'll go A minor, swim our cares away. And to do that, you are going to play an A minor, take your middle finger, walk up A string, so it's, and then you're going to move your ring finger up to the 3rd fret on the A string. So A minor, and then walk your middle finger up, and then your ring finger on the 3rd fret into a, you're walking into a C. And now it helps if you little flavor, especially on Tyler Childers songs, pull off and hammer on your middle finger for your C, and then also add your pinky on the 3rd fret on the high E string. So that little chord progression will go. are pretty much all of the chords. Now, it doesn't necessarily follow that pattern throughout the song, but again, I will try and put some of that in the video somewhere. I'll see what I can make happen, but it is basically just C. I'm a stone's throw from the mill, and I'm a good walk to the river. My working day is over, we'll go swim our cares away. Put your toes down in the water, and a smile across your face, and tell me that you love me, my lovely Lady May. So again, just C, F, C, F, A minor, C, you know, again, that little walk in between A minor and C. But again, not too complicated. And then for the chorus, it's, now you're going to start in A minor. Now, I ain't the toughest hickory that your axe has ever felled. F to a C, felled. But I'm a hickory just as well. But I'm a hickory just as well. I'm a hickory all the same. I came crashing through the forest as you cut my roots away, and I fell a good long way for my lovely Lady May. Those same 3 chords and that one little walk throughout the whole thing, a couple little hammer-ons, and not a complicated chord progression. Don't mean to make it sound overly simplified for people that are obviously beginning and struggling, and but you can do it. It's certainly, I'm not any different than anyone else. You have the capability. You can do it. I believe in you. So anyways, that is pretty much the whole thing. Now I will play it through for you one more time so that you can kind of get a feel of how it is going to sound, and then you'll just have to take it from there. So this is my cover of Lady May by Tyler Childers. When I play this song, I like to not do the picking in the middle of the song, just because it, to me, sounds dead. Tyler does a really good job of, like, he plays with a pick and he strums pretty well, and so it doesn't, you don't hear most of that. It sounds pretty good, but for me, that just is just not an option. So anyways, I'm going to play it. I'm a stone's throw from the mill, and I'm a good walk to the river. My working day is over, we'll go swim our cares away. Put your toes down in the water, and a smile across your face, and tell me that you love me, my lovely Lady May. Now I ain't the sharpest chisel that your hands have ever held. Darling, I could love you well till the roll is called on high. And I've seen my share of troubles, and I've held my weight in shame, and I'm baptized in your name, my lovely Lady May. And then this is the part where you would normally do the little lead thing, but like I say, not going to do that. So then from there it is, Lord, the wind can leave you shivering as it waltzes or it leaves. It's been rushing through my timber till your love brought on the spring. Now the mountains all are blushing, except they don't know what to say, but a good long line of praises for my lovely Lady May. Now I ain't the toughest hickory that your axe has ever felled, but I'm a hickory just as well. Oh, I'm a hickory all the same. I came crashing through the forest as you cut my roots away, and I fell a good long way for my lovely Lady May. All right, guys. I was struggling through the cover, to be honest with you, and for some reason, when you're recording a song, it is so much harder. Like, I can go play out, and I think what it is if I play out and I miss one little thing, you just keep playing, and no one notices, and it's gone. It's over with. It's done. That moment happened, and it's gone. Now, when I'm recording something, every little thing, every little off note or something that didn't ring out quite clearly or a dead string or, it all just, it's repeatable. It's burned in history. I'm going to upload this online, it's never going anywhere. So like I beat myself up about it way more than I need to. But long story short, I'm not perfect. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be good. I'm not good. And you can play this song too, and I hope that you do, and I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that when you do play the song, I hope that people enjoy it when you play the song. So anyways, that is my tutorial and my cover of Lady May by Tyler Childers. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and subscribe.